So, hi guys, how are you guys? And it's my very first video. So if you guys don't know me, it's because of that, because I'm just starting in YouTube, and yeah. Well, I was wondering if I could show you guys my slime. You know, I have a slime collection. Wait guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, I have a slime collection. So yeah. But yeah, so let's start with this one, because I just want to, get this one and start doing all my tricks with my slime. But yeah, I mean, it's really simple tricks. Oh, and look, I love this slime because it's just really glittery. But yeah, it's really simple tricks. You guys could do it too at home if you have any slime. You could make slime too, but that's going to be in a different video. So this is one of my slimes. And look, I love the noise, or more like the sound. And yes, I really love this slime. It's one of my favorites. I actually made it. I love this. So yeah.